A teenage student accused of a fake bomb threat walks into court, but what happened next shocked everyone in the courtroom. Asterisk from awkward moments to the judge joking with the defendant to a deal that could change her entire future, this hearing took a completely unexpected turn. Asterisk watch till the end, because one wrong decision could have sent her to jail for 2 years. Asterisk.
I know we'll resolve the case, but there was a family member that came up that said that there was a little bit more information that's happened since I made that offer, and so I just need a week to look at it, and we'll probably plead it out. Huh? 2 weeks. That's fine. We'll get it taken care of though.
Reset. Dequan Pugh. 5CR 464 is now called the state of Texas versus Sophie Ann Martin. You were here with your attorney, Mr. Jeffries, and the state's attorney. Does the defendant waive a formal reading of the indictment and the arraignment here? Can we proceed in summary?
Yes, sir.
In summary, this indictment alleges that on or about February 25th, 2025 in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the state jail felony of making a false alarm or reporting an emergency improperly and illegally. This says, and communicating a report of a future bombing at a public school. I guess that was a hoax. And you knew that the report of a bomb at a high school, local high school here, was false and baseless and would cause action by official agencies organized to deal with emergencies. For example, the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office and the Hampshire Fire Department. So this is a state jail felony. Do you understand fully what you're charged with? If convicted, you face confinement in a state jail for any term of not less than 180 days or more than 2 years. In addition, a fine may be assessed not to exceed $10,000. Do you understand? Yes. Okay, you have a soft voice. An agreement has been reached in your case where you would be prosecuted for the lesser included Class A misdemeanor of attempted.
Yes, sir. It's a state
making
felony.
A false alarm or report an emergency. Hey, listen.
You broke it?
I didn't intend to. I don't know what I touched. Y'all saw me. I wasn't trying to be harmful to the machine. Is that your understanding of the plan? Yes. You have to speak out. Okay. That means it carries with it, Class A misdemeanor carries with it up to 1 year in the county jail and or a fine up to $4,000. An agreement's been reached in your case. What?
1 year deferred. Well, deferred probation. We put down for 1 year. No fine. Correct.
All right. Apparently the agreement is that you would be pleading guilty, placed on deferred or unadjudicated probation for 1 year. And there would be terms and conditions of probation, which would be normal and customary for this type of offense. Is that your understanding of the plan? If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand? Yes. If you fail, your probation could be revoked. If you fail to follow the terms and conditions of probation that we're going to go over with you here in a minute, you fail, then your probation could be revoked. You could then be found guilty by the court and sentenced up to 1 year in the county jail.
Yeah. May I inject just real quick? Her response is a little slow at times. She has a trouble with speech. So,
okay.
Just didn't want any delay to the
I think she speaks better than most of the attorneys I have, or she seems to articulate quite well.
In a minute, they were starting to.
What happened?
I don't know.
Was it when I threw it in the trash can?
Maybe.
That slipped. I don't know. So, are you in school now? Where at? At high school?
Some school.
Your homeschool, what level schooling are you right now? What level are you in grade level? Senior? Yes?
This one.
Okay, so you're gonna be graduating this year? Then what? Where do you want to go? You gonna go to college? Which one? Lamar? Or something? Okay, what do you want to do?
Computer, engineering.
Okay, engineering.
Computer. Yes,
Sounds like a good living.
yes.
Yeah, can you work on that tablet if we're having trouble with? It just shut up.
Is there another tablet over there? I really. Work on this. Actually, for the time being. And we can-
Okay, the agreement again is that she would be placed on deferred or unadjudicated probation. That can be up to 2 years, right?
Yes, sir.
Is that what y'all want?
We'd agreed to 1 year.
Is that y'all agreed to?
Yes, sir.
All right, then that it'll be done. Is there any fine or anything
No, Your
like
Honor.
that?
No.
There will be terms and conditions of probation, which are normal customary for this type of offense though, right?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Is that your understanding of the plan here? Yes.
Yes.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand?
Yes.
We're working off a state jail felony, so give me a minute. We don't have misdemeanor punishment ranges that aren't written in. If I follow this agreement again, you have no right of appeal. Understand? How do you plead to this again? Guilty or not guilty? The lesser included Class A misdemeanor of attempted making a false alarm or reporting an emergency. Are you pleading guilty voluntarily? That is on your own free will and because you are guilty. I'm going to show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1. Did you sign that document voluntarily? Understand it? Discuss it with your attorney? Or the contents all true and correct? State's Exhibit 1 entered into evidence and without objection admitted. Among other things, this states that you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. It's freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with, and the indictment's been read to you. You read it. You were guilty of the crime charged in any lesser included offenses such as this Class A misdemeanor that the parties have entered the agreement into that you are pleading guilty to. You were giving up your rights to a jury trial on the rights to the appearance, cross-examination, confrontation of witnesses, totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All true, so help you God. State's Exhibit 1, part of the record for all purposes. Pre-sentence reports waived.
Yes, sir.
I will follow this agreement if nothing further and find you are pleading guilty to this lesser included Class A misdemeanor of attempted making a false alarm or report an emergency under this indictment in this case voluntarily, knowingly, intelligently. There's sufficient evidence supporting your guilty plea from State's Exhibit 182 to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. But I'm going to instead defer or postpone any finding of guilt so long as you follow terms and conditions of probation. And this will be for 1 year, deferred or unadjudicated probation. There will be terms and conditions of probation. The probation officer will go over them with you, make sure you follow them. If you fail, your probation can be revoked. You could then be found guilty and sentenced up to 1 year in the county jail. And that is day for day. So you don't want that. You understand what has happened today?
Yes.
Please see the probation officer. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
This case could have ended with prison time, but instead, it became one of the most unusual courtroom moments caught on camera. Asterisk if you enjoy real courtroom drama, unexpected judge reactions, and true legal cases explained in detail, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Asterisk. Asterisk because the next case we upload is even more intense, and you do not want to miss it. Asterisk.